Innovation and technology continue to shape our world in countless ways. But have you ever wondered who the visionaries behind these advancements are? In this video, we'll be exploring the lives of 5 innovators who changed the world. Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, was one of the most prolific innovators of his time. He held over 1,000 patents and made significant contributions in fields such as motion pictures, telecommunications, and electrical power. Marie Curie, a pioneering scientist, made groundbreaking discoveries in the field of radioactivity. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the first person to win it twice in different fields. Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple, revolutionized the tech industry with his innovative products, such as the iPhone and the Mac. He was known for his vision, creativity, and attention to detail. Ada Lovelace, the daughter of Lord Byron, was a mathematician and writer who is considered to be the world's first computer programmer. Her work on Charles Babbage's analytical engine laid the foundation for modern computing. Elon Musk, a modern-day innovator, is changing the game in space travel and renewable energy. His companies, SpaceX and Tesla, are at the forefront of innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. These 5 innovators have left a lasting impact on our world, paving the way for new developments and advancements that continue to impact our lives. By highlighting diversity and inclusion through Ada Lovelace, we can see how innovation knows no boundaries. These individuals remind us of the power of innovation and creativity in shaping our world.